bow at the back. Can you show everybody your big bow, Valerie? If I knew that, I would have prepared for a bigger bow.
You know what?
I didn't know.
Valerie's POC, mas bongga. We saw Eda Annabelle. We saw Tito Alfie earlier. Backstage, we have Tita Angge. Always supportive of Valerie. Alright, Valerie. You think you fared well tonight? Ay, confident. Do you think you can outshine the other performers? Alright, let's see if the judges would agree.
Right. Were you blown away by that performance? Absolutely. I think out of all the singers, you had the most confidence up there. You know that you belong there. And when you were singing This Is My Dream, tama ko talaga na dream mo to. Di ba? That's really good. You know how to use your voice. In fact, very dramatic. You make it soft, tapos may build up, tapos bumilid ka sa end. That was really, really good. And you have great musicality. Sa ending, medyo uma-adlib-adlib. That was really, really good. And you established good rapport with the audience while singing. I think you did a terrific job.
There's one happy captain at the back of this room. O ano iniiyak-iyak mo dyan? Yung red leopard print. Bigyan na ng yan. Pasagutin. Ba't umiiyak ka?
I'm just happy because I can feel all the support of mine.
Pwede naman palang ganyan yung performance, di ba? So, dinamahan mo lang ba kami last week? Chinigang mo lang yung last week para may build up ngayong araw na to? What happened in between? What did you do that made your performance so much better tonight compared to last week?
I prayed. I'm praying ever since the day start. And I offered this song to God.
Akala mo nililip-sync ka? Start the day. I love it. You know what, Valerie? This is what I'm seeing tonight was the woman I fell in love with on the first week of competition. And mind you, I barely fall in love with women, okay? So that's saying a lot. That's saying a lot. So, if you make it to next week, pick a song also that will allow the audience and the judges to see the colors of your voice. Number 2, Sinong gumawa ng train mo sa likod ng dress mo? Huli ko si Tita Angge.
Boss DJ! Thank you.
Okay.
Last minute preparation.
Actually, kaya alam si Coco Chanel, yung designer.
Yes.
Sabi ni Coco Chanel, you always put off the last thing you put on before you get out of the house. Or get out of the training room or the office floor. You didn't need the train. You didn't. You just had to show up tonight. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you, Valerie. Powerful performance.